What's up guys, welcome back to the Trokiando channel and to another video. And on this video we're doing the overview on TKO G14, the 1991 GMC Sierra, the 90s style giveaway that we're doing with the 18x11s, the side skirts, you know, that color match or that matching bed cover to the interior, all that good stuff. This truck right here turns heads, looks good. We took it to the first show and got its first award. And I'm gonna tell you one thing guys, videos and pictures are not gonna do its justice, so hopefully you get to check it out at the show, and if not, trust me, this truck is badass, so you guys wanna lock in the entries. But on this video, I'm gonna be telling you a little bit of the truck, what you gotta do to get entered, when the deadline, and all that good stuff. A lot of you guys are new to Trokiando and to the giveaway, so, and also we have a lot of Hispanics watching us right now too, so I'm gonna do a little small rundown for them in Spanish so they better understand us, because they ask us every single day about the raffle, about the giveaway and all that stuff. So, para la raza que anda viendo este video por primera vez y que está queriendo entrar a la rifa de esta troca 1991 GMC Sierra con los 18x11, los estribos, la lonita atrás que le combina al interior y todo la troquita que está atrás de mí, se está rifando 5 semanas de comienzo a fin. En la fecha que se va a acabar es octubre 26. Y cualquier cosa que compren en la página de trokiando.com automáticamente va a asegurar sus boletos, esas entradas, para que ustedes puedan participar en la rifa. So, nomás haciendo esa compra ya entraron automáticamente. Otra cosa es de que agarramos muchos mensajes que nos preguntan qué número de ticket agarraron para la rifa, o nos mandan correo pidiendo, hey, yo quiero el número 25, 30, 35, el que sea. Así no funciona este giveaway. Aquí el número que ustedes van a agarrar es el número que se genera cuando hacen la compra. Por ejemplo, hacen una compra, una camisa, una calcomanía, el sistema va a generar número de orden 1234-TKO. Ese es el número de orden, ese es tu número de boleto, y ese número de boleto va a estar en el sistema cuantas veces te haga generado ahí en tu compra. Por ejemplo, compraste la cachucha o compraste la camisa, compraste la calcomanía y te dice el sistema, tienes 100 boletos, 100 entradas. Bueno, ese número de orden va a estar en la lista 100 veces. Y así va a jalar. No tienes que escoger un número, no tienes que mandarnos un correo electrónico que quieres este número o lo que sea. No, tu número ya está asegurado. Tu nombre, tu información ya está ahí en el sistema, ya está lista. Y cuando se acabe esta rifa, que es el 26 de octubre, más o menos una semana, si no una semana y media, es cuando vamos a hacer el video en vivo aquí en este YouTube para realizar y saber quién fue el ganador. Lo vamos a poner todos los nombres en un sistema. El sistema va a generar un nombre nomás random. Y ese nombre que salga, o número de orden que salga, nos va a dar acceso para ir a esa orden, agarrar número de teléfono, agarrar número de la persona, hablarles en vivo y decirles las noticias que se ganaron la troca de los $20,000. I wanted to say that in Spanish real quick because we got a lot of Spanish viewing people. That's probably a little dragged out a little bit too much, but we get a lot of emails about that, so I wanted to kind of clarify that a little bit. So for those of you guys that don't know much Spanish, which I don't think we get this question a lot. They don't ask for ticket numbers or anything like that. They kind of already know how it goes down. Your order number is your ticket, and however many entries you lock in on the website is however many times that order number is going to be in the system. So it's not that hard. Order number is your tickets. Tickets go into a system. The system generates a random name or a random order number, and that's the winner. This is a 5-week giveaway from start to finish. We started it September 18th. We started it, and it ends October 26th. 5 weeks from start to finish. And the winner is going to have the opportunity to take home this truck right here, keys and title, or $20,000 in cash. They're going to have that option once we call them on the live video. We're going to ask them the big question and figure out what they want. What you got to do to get entered, shop online, Trokiando.com. Anything on the website, from this shirt to a lanyard to a decal to pretty much anything on the website, will automatically lock in the entries for a chance to win this truck. Also, when we go to shows, like we just went to Chicago Truck Invasion, if you buy something at the booth, that also locks in the entries. We're about to go to OTM, that's also gonna lock in the entries. Anything there, we ask you for your phone number and your name, that's how you lock in the entries. So hopefully you guys get to check out this truck in person, because this truck is, telling you right now, pictures and videos will not do its justice. This thing is pretty damn clean, and it'll be something else if you guys see it in person. All right guys, now down to the price. This 1991 GMC Sierra, the OBS. This thing took us a long time to get it sitting where it's at, and it was not easy. But we do have a video that we can show what we all did to get it looking like this. You guys want to check it out, I'll put it up here. Now we got this 3.5 drop kit, IC drop kit with the upper and lower control arms, the flip kit, and the C-notch. We also have the Billet Specialty turbo wheels, 18x11s on some Kenda 315, 30, 18 tires. Custom offset on these wheels too. They came with a 4.5. We had to cut the backspace, so it's currently sitting at a 4 3/4 backspace, and we had to do that to achieve the clearances on the side skirts with the tires and all that good stuff. Like I said, we have a video on that. We struggled to get it looking like this and riding good, So if you guys want to check it out, it's gonna be up here on the card. But yeah, IEC 3.5 drop kit, 18x11 Billet Specialties, turbos, 4 3/4 back spacing. Now we did the side skirts, custom fiberglass side skirts. We got the bottom valence with the Monte Carlo fog lights, also fiberglass. We got the wiper Cowl fiberglass as well. We got the button-up bed cover. Now this bed cover, red or burgundy, whatever you want to call it, different, I know, but it matches the interior, so we kind of liked it because if you're riding with the windows down, it looks pretty clean. And we got some good compliments. You know, we could have gone black or silver or gray. It probably would have been, you know, different, but I think this is way different. I don't think I've seen many like this with the burgundy bed cover, so I think it looks good. We color match front and rear bumpers, the grill around the front with the GMC emblems. We also had it wet sand and buff, made it look good. Flowmaster as an exhaust, all stock exhaust. Now remember guys, this is a V8 350 all stock with a set of Flowmaster exhaust. This is a cruiser. It's not something that you're gonna take out on a Friday night to a race or anything like that. It's just a cruise around on a Sunday, on the weekends. What we did after that, the interior is already clean, all original red or burgundy interior, super clean. It's got that, what is it, the Show Truck USA collection or Show Truck USA. It's like an add-on package. So the interior is pretty mint, pretty nice and clean with the nice wood grain. For being a 1991, that kind of, you know, it's a little bit different. You don't see it too much on these OBSs, so it's pretty nice. Fresh Bedliner on it as well. And then we didn't want to stop there with the black. You know how black is. Black is a little pain to keep clean. So we hit up the guys at Texas Pro Detailing, where they did a 3-step paint correction on this thing and a ceramic coating. Was it a 5-year coating on this thing? This thing came out like a mirror. Came out really good, looks really good. And to keep it clean, it's super simple, super easy. Everything just beads off the truck. But let's walk around it really quick. 18x11, Billet Specialties, all polished. Turbos, these are the name on the wheels, the turbos. Now we got the Kendas 315, 30, 18s. So nice. The MVP OBS moldings, the pre-cut moldings on this one as well, all new with the GMC 1500 emblems and the Sierra emblems for the cab. Now you can hit up the guys at MVP Moldings to get this pre-cut molding for your OBS. And check out the interior. Super clean interior, all original. We got the aftermarket steering wheel with the GMC. I don't think it's a billet per se, but I mean it's a billet. I don't know, looks good. But we got the wood grain on the doors right here. And the Show Trucks USA kind of collection or kind of like trim, I guess. The back step side, like this thing is just, it's just perfect. Button up bed cover. Now, a lot of DMs that we get, what brand is this bed cover? I'll be honest with you guys, I do not know. We'll try to figure out what it is and probably let you guys know. But I don't know. We purchased it already, but the bed cover, so I don't know what brand it is. And I'm trying to see if I can get some because I know a lot of people that want them. So we didn't really have to do a bed liner on this, but just in case whoever wins it wants to ride without the bed cover, you guys are gonna be covered. Get it?
Literally. Oh, that was a pun. That was a pun, right?
Yeah, that's something. Maybe a little dusty, but there it is. Nice bed liner on it. Shout out to Valero Customs. He's the one that did the all the body work on this one, as far as painting the bumpers, wet sanding it, and getting all that done. Just adding the side skirts, the bottom valence, the wiper cowl, painting the bumpers. Yeah, whoever wants to ride without the bed cover, you can take it off and use it. It's gonna look nice and clean. No dents, no scratches. Obviously, we have the bed liner. From the very few experience that we've had with this, when it rains, it kind of puddles up here. But now with the ceramic, it kind of just beads off, right? Like you just blow it off. Super nice. 5.7, the 350, brand new AC compressor, AC dryer, AC condenser. Todo rollo, everything's brand new. They even went off. And like changed, like, what do you call them? Like the
overflow.
The overflow, yeah. But like this one's somewhat new. This one over here on the brake cylinder looks somewhat new. Like whoever had this truck before took good care of it, and it was just right that I think it came to the right hands, bro. I think it came to the right hands, and hopefully it goes to the better hands. Whoever wins it, it takes care of it. Cause you can even see it from here, bro.
Or they take it 20,000.
Or they take it 20,000.
We know we're gonna take good care of it.
Yeah, for real, we will. But yeah, check out, bro. Look, the upper and lower controllers from IEC with that silver vein powder coat, looking nice, clean. Brand new shocks. Okay, we do brand new shocks. We didn't mention that. Belltech shocks, Belltech Street Performance shocks in the back. Originals on the front for now. We're probably gonna throw the Belltech Street Performance shocks on the front as well. We should tie it in all together. Brand new suspension overall, everything after that. Super clean truck, guys. There it is, guys. The 1991 GMC Sierra officially over October 26th. A 5-week giveaway, one of our shortest giveaway to date. And we're excited to see where this one's gonna be heading to, or if the winner takes the $20,000 in cash. Regardless, hopefully it's gonna be life-changing to someone, and hopefully that someone is you. So guys, lock in the interest. You never know. This is the 14th truck that we're giving away, so we've blessed 13 other people. Hopefully you're next, and hopefully we'll see where this one goes. If it goes somewhere else, hopefully it's a new state.
Hopefully not too far.
Hopefully not too far. But yeah, October 26th, official deadline. We're gonna be going live here on the YouTube channel shortly after that. We don't have an exact date just yet because we are gonna be probably rushing and being on a time crunch for SEMA. So bear with us on the actual date of going live. It's either gonna be that week after the deadline, maybe what do we say, October 20
something
Thursday.
like that.
Yeah, like right before October ends, or it's probably gonna be on the first week of November. But we're gonna have more details on that here on the YouTube channel and also on our Instagram. So if you guys don't follow us, make sure you follow us. But yeah, good luck to everyone. Hopefully the truck goes to a good spot, to a good place, to someone that's gonna take care of it. And if not, the 20 grand goes and we get to enjoy the truck a little bit more. But there it is, guys. Good luck. We'll catch you in the next one. Hit that subscribe, hit that like, and good luck to everyone.